Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do a top-down analysis on crude oil. So US crude oil, although I do not trade crude oil, but we have recently May monthly candle close, so I thought like let's do some kind of a top-down analysis on the US oil as well and see how the price is heading in the coming months. So now we are going to start with the US oil on the monthly time frame. Now if we just see that we had a resistance right here, and there is another resistance right here on the monthly time frame, right? So now what happened, as we can see that the price broke and closed above this monthly resistance, and the last monthly candle, May monthly candle, broke and closed above this monthly resistance, and this new monthly candle, which is June, perfectly retested the recent broken zone, and right now we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance like this, right? Although we have to be a little bit cautious about this rejection area, because in the past as well price came to this area and got rejected pretty hard. So we'll be cautious about it, but our final target is going to be this resistance right here. So this is on the monthly. We are expecting, we already made a bottom week, and so right now we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance. Now let's see what's happening on the weekly. On the weekly, this was a resistance, guys, right here. As you can see, price broken the last weekly, this weekly candle broke and closed above this resistance, and the last weekly candle, same like the monthly, perfectly came below, made the bottom week and flipped already to move to the next resistance. Now the first resistance is going to be here, and now let's try to find out what's going to be the next resistance on the weekly. Now look left, and we will find that where is going to be the next resistance. Now next resistance is going to be right here. So as we know that the weekly candle has already flipped, so we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance like this, right? This is something we are expecting to happen on the weekly time frame. Now on the daily, so we know monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish, and now on the daily, this was a resistance, and this one is going to be the new resistance. So as we can see, this Thursday candle closed above this resistance, and Friday candle already made the bottom week, and right now moving towards the target. And now as you can see, price is right now at this rejection area, so we are still expecting the price to move to the next resistance area like this. This is something we are expecting on the daily time frame to happen. All right, so monthly, weekly, daily, all are bullish. Now let's see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. This has been a resistance. So as we can see, the last 4-hour candle closed above the resistance. So let's find out where is going to be the next resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Now this one is going to be the resistance on the 4-hour time frame. We have already closed bullish above the resistance, so we are expecting the price to make the bottom week. The next daily, next 4-hour candle, we want the price to make a bottom week that might be into the recent broken zone, and then we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance like this. So this is something like we are expecting to happen. Now let's see on the 1 hour and 30 minute what's happening. Now if we mark that, okay, this one is going to be a resistance area on the 30 minute, let's see how it is looking like on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour as well, this is the resistance area, and on the 30 minute as well, this one is going to be the resistance area. Now let's see where is going to be the next resistance. So next resistance on the 30 minute and 1 hour chart could be this area, I think, this area, okay, this area, and this area, and then final resistance is right here. Now as you can see, this area also respected multiple times by the price, this area also respected by multiple times by the price, and this area already respected multiple times by the price. Now this is what we are seeing on the 30 minute chart. Now let's see what's happening on the 1 hour chart. are these area also respected on the 1 hour chart as well or not? Now this one is okay, fine, cool, we respected here, rejections or rejections. Now we talk about this area respected, pretty much okay, fine, cool. This area is also respected and this area is also respected. So these are the perfect areas on the 1 hour and the 30-minute chart. Now let's mark some supports as well in order to see where we can look for shorting opportunities. Now we will talk about the shorting opportunities. The first support is right here on the 1 hour chart as well. That's going to be there. And if we talk about another support, the another support can be right here. Another support can be right here, or we can move it to this area as well, because every time price is broken close below this area, we have moved to the next support, right? So we can mention this one as the next support, right? So as you can see, this area has been respected multiple times by the price. This one is the support, and this one is going to be the next support. So these are the different support and resistance which I have marked. Now as we can see, guys, this was the resistance on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. Now we know all higher time frame, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, everything is bullish, and these 30-minute and 1 hour candle also close bullish about the resistance. And as we can see, this next candle already made the bottom. We can continue moving higher. So what are we expecting right now? On 1 hour and the 30-minute, we are expecting the price to continue moving higher to the next resistance area, and if we get a break and close over that area, we are expecting further price to make a bottom wick and continue moving to the next resistance area. This is something we are expecting on the 1 hour and 30-minute, considering all higher time frames are bearish from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. But if that doesn't happen, if the price keep going lower, then we are going to, because all higher time frames are bullish, so we are not going to look for shorting opportunity after breaking one support, but we will wait for a breaking of more support and more breaking of the structures in order to consider looking for shorting opportunity. In that case, I'll be avoiding, or if I was trading US oil, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I do not trade US oil, but if I had to trade, I would be avoiding this support. I mean, looking shorting opportunity at this support, I will be avoiding that, but I'll be waiting for the price to break the second support, and here I'll be waiting for the price to make a top wick and look for some kind of bearish opportunity to go short in this area. This is something I will be expecting the price to do, and look for some kind of shorting opportunity in this area on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on US oil from monthly to 30-minute time frame. And here also we discussed some daily, some intraday and scalping setups. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.